Hi, I'm Joseph.
And I'm Ethan.
And we are the Smash Kids. Today we are destroying a Rubik's Cube with 2 mini sticks. Okay, let's go.
Here's the Rubik's Cube.
And now we're going to smash it.
Joseph, you get the head of honor.
Thank you. You go first. So this isn't really safe because it keeps flying off the cup.
Maybe we should take it apart with our hands.
No. Okay, let's do rapid. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Dang. So hard.
Go hard.
Oh no. Our setup may have just broken, but it's okay.
See, that's a part of the Rubik's Cube that just flew off. It was a blue piece.
I want to go get that real quick.
Now continue smashing. Oh, another piece fell off. I don't know where it is though.
Me neither.
Oh, it's on the couch. Had a flying bounce.
And that's how you destroy the Rubik's Cube. Wait,
The end.
Wait, no. Did you end it? No.
No, I didn't.
Look at some of these pieces. It's
Look at the inside of this Rubik's Cube. Oh my god.
that is really
This
destroyed.
is demented.
Let me just go through these pieces. Oh my.
Well, you know now what is inside a Rubik's Cube and how it looks.
And don't
And the
try
inner
this
piece-
at home.
Please don't.
Because,
Your parents will kill you.
yeah, and it's
And
not much fun putting this back together like we'll have to.
Probably not.
Oopsies.
Bye.
See ya.